Mastering fault tree analysis. Fault tree analysis can be a recipe for disaster if you ignore its pitfalls. When implementing fault tree analysis as part of an operational excellence strategy, what are the common pitfalls and limitations that one may encounter, and how can these pitfalls and limitations be effectively identified and mitigated to ensure the successful application of this methodology? When implementing fault tree analysis, FTA, as part of an operational excellence strategy, organizations may encounter several common pitfalls and limitations that can hinder the success of this methodology. These pitfalls and limitations can be categorized into four main areas: data quality, methodological flaws, human factors, and organizational barriers. Data quality issues. 1. Inaccurate or incomplete data. FTA relies heavily on accurate and comprehensive data. Incomplete, inaccurate, or outdated data can lead to incorrect fault tree models, which can result in ineffective mitigation strategies. 2. Insufficient data resolution. FTA requires detailed data to ensure accurate modeling. Insufficient data resolution can lead to oversimplification or omission of critical failure paths. 3. Data inconsistencies. Inconsistent data can lead to incorrect conclusions and ineffective mitigation strategies. To mitigate these pitfalls, organizations should ensure data accuracy and completeness through rigorous data validation and verification processes. Implement data quality control measures, such as data normalization and formatting, to ensure consistency. Utilize data augmentation techniques, such as simulation or sensitivity analysis, to compensate for limited data. Methodological flaws. 1. Oversimplification. FTA models can become overly simplistic, failing to capture complex system interactions and relationships. 2. Lack of gate resolution. Insufficient gate resolution can lead to incorrect fault tree models, omitting critical failure paths. 3. Inadequate fault tree development. Poorly developed fault trees can result in ineffective mitigation strategies. To mitigate these pitfalls, organizations should ensure that fault tree models accurately capture system complexities and interactions. Implement a rigorous gate resolution process to ensure accurate modeling of system failures. Develop fault trees using a structured approach, such as the master logic diagram, to ensure comprehensive modeling. Human factors. 1. Lack of domain expertise. Insufficient knowledge of system operations, design, or failure modes can lead to inaccurate fault tree models. 2. Cognitive biases. Analysts' biases and assumptions can influence the development of fault trees, leading to incorrect conclusions. 3. Team dynamics. Poor communication, lack of collaboration, or inadequate training can impede the effectiveness of FTA. To mitigate these pitfalls, organizations should ensure that teams comprise experts with diverse domain knowledge and experience. Implement structured methodologies, such as the Delphi technique, to minimize cognitive biases. Provide comprehensive training and resources to ensure teams have the necessary skills and knowledge to perform FTA. Organizational barriers. 1. Lack of management buy-in. Inadequate support from management can hinder the adoption and implementation of FTA. 2. Insufficient resources. Limited resources, including time, budget, or personnel, can impede the implementation of FTA. 3. Organizational complexity. Highly complex organizational structures can hinder the effective application of FTA. To mitigate these pitfalls, organizations should ensure management buy-in and support through clear communication of FTA benefits and objectives. Allocate sufficient resources to support the implementation of FTA, including personnel, budget, and infrastructure. Simplify organizational complexity through process streamlining and clear communication channels. To effectively identify and mitigate these pitfalls and limitations, organizations can conduct regular audits and assessments to identify potential pitfalls and limitations. Implement a robust quality control process to ensure data accuracy and model validity. Establish clear guidelines, procedures, and standards for FTA implementation and application. Provide ongoing training and development opportunities for personnel involved in FTA. Encourage a culture of open communication, collaboration, and continuous improvement. By recognizing and addressing these common pitfalls and limitations, organizations can ensure the successful application of fault tree analysis as part of their operational excellence strategy, leading to improved system reliability, reduced risk, and enhanced overall performance.